Down in the workshop here, I thought I'd just shoot a short video. I decided to have a bit of a look at my compressor. It's 21 years old. I thought I'll pull the bung out and just have a quick look inside the tank. As you can see, I can't see anything, you can't either. I've taken some photos of the inside of the tank, and yeah, she's looking pretty rusty. As I say, 21 years old, so I don't expect too much. 40 litre, 2.5 horsepower. The motor still runs fine. I think I'll probably hang on to that, but I think it could be time, you know, for the tank to see another life. Probably make it into a smoker. Who knows?